riding along. Everything seems to be going quite well. Splendid flight. Ain't it, man? All right, now I've got these headphones on. Can't really hear much, but it's a very nice ride so far, right, man?
We're heading down to Dallas, Texas to pick up Dave Evans.
Texas to pick up Dave Evans from one-time singer and founding member of AC/DC. Turbulence out! Is it? Is that what that is? Is that what that is? Turbulence. I think it's just a bit of turbulence. Well, we'll check in when we get back. Assuming Kenny's watching. I've got my own. Gracious sakes alive! What shall we do now? Alright. Tell you what, we'll go when we get in. And after that,
We're coming in to land,
I
bro.
forgot what I was going to say to it. We'll request permission to land. Permission to land! We're coming in right away, right now!